A cloud security study found that 39% of businesses have experienced a data breach. Fact is, our data is not as safe as we thought. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Sign up for my free CyberGuy Report at cyberguy.com. My number one tip, if there is one thing you can do to prevent losing precious memories, critical documents, and mountains of personal and private stuff we all collect in life, is to use a personal drive to back up what's important to you. This is a time of year I do a lot of cleaning of personal data. Most importantly, I make a backup of my documents, family photos, items that I would never want to lose. There is nothing like having a physical backup that gives you control over your data. Whether you have a Mac, a PC, or even a Chromebook, like this one, there is a drive made for you. This is one of my favorites. It is a WD portable drive. This one stores 2 terabytes, plugs right into your device, and is super fast with super speed USB 3.0 and is certified to work with my Chromebook, so I know it's reliable. You want a reliable drive, and I've got another one for my MacBook and PC. Now, save yourself from a future data disaster by backing up your files, photos, and videos to one of these. Unplug it and then keep it in a safe place. Whether it's a ransomware attack, virus, technical glitch in the cloud, I know that when, not if, something goes wrong, I have got a backup of what's most important in my life, physically in my hands. More quick tips like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Open a browser, type in cyberguy.com, and click the little red button.